The Oppo Find N6 Foldable is set to redefine the foldable smartphone experience with a sleek, ultra-thin design, powerful performance, and next-gen durability, and according to multiple leaks, it's expected to launch in Q1 2026, possibly under the name Apple's Open 2 in global markets, and this device builds on the success of the Find N5 with a slimmer profile, reportedly just 4.2 thin when unfolded in a lightweight build around 229 g, making it one of the most portable foldables ever, and under the hood, it's rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, offering significant gains in AI processing, thermal efficiency, and multitasking performance, and the display is expected to be a 7.8-inch flexible AMOLED panel with 2K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and LTPO technology for adaptive power saving, while the cover screen may be upgraded to 6.3 inches with full app support and enhanced notification controls, and the camera setup is likely to include a 50MP wide lens, 48MP ultra-wide, and 32MP telephoto sensor, all tuned with Oppo's computational photography engine for real-time HDR, low-light optimization, and AI scene detection, and the front camera may be under display for a seamless foldable experience, and battery capacity is expected to be around 5000 mAh, supporting smooth fast charging, Key 2 wireless charging, and reverse charging, and software-wise, the Find N6 will run ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, featuring AI-generated widgets, privacy dashboards, and multitasking tools like floating windows, split-screen mode, and stylus support, and durability will be a key focus with an improved hinge mechanism, IPX8 water resistance, and dust-proof sealing, and design-wise, the phone will feature matte glass finishes, polished aluminum frames, and eco-friendly packaging, and connectivity options include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, dual 5G, and satellite messaging, making it ideal for creators, business professionals, and tech enthusiasts, and pricing is expected to start around $1,799 globally, while in Pakistan, it may range from PKR 5.5 lakh to 6.5 lakh depending on taxes and import duties, and if you're looking for a foldable that combines elegance, power, and innovation, the Oppo Find N6 Foldable could be your ultimate upgrade, and in this video we'll break down every feature, leak, and comparison so you can make the right choice. And if you enjoy this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech breakdowns.